What are the themes of your presentations over time, over weeks, months, years, 5 years, 10 years? Ideally, as you go deeper and deeper into your core area of expertise, whether you're in industry, private sector, public sector, you're getting deeper knowledge. Some things you may care about on a regular basis that you stress, and that's consistent with your speeches. Other times there could be new ideas, but you've always got to be looking for general themes and how you do it better and better. As some of you know, I've been doing this for more than 33 years now, and some things are consistent. Practice your presentations again and again. And then it was practice on video when you had a big VHS video recorders when they became popular 20, 25 years ago. These days, it's practice on your cell phone again and again until you love what you see. So the themes are the same, but the specifics vary because the world changes. What are the themes of your presentations? Step back, think about them, analyze them, and ask yourself, is this continuing to help your audience? I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively. If you would like tips on how to be a better speaker, you can get, at no charge, copies of my books by going to MediaTrainingWorldwide.com. You can also learn about our upcoming workshops, seminars, and live online trainings as well.